Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, then I am Aditya and this is my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about a skincare product, which is this Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream, which I am loving lately. The Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream, now I know this is pretty popular product in India and outside of India also, and I have been using it for a month now, so I wanted to share my review on this cleanser, that if it worth the hype or not. So first thing, let's talk about its packaging. So Cetaphil moisturizer cream comes in a simple packaging, and the product which I have is in 80 gram and it costed me around 600, and the shelf life of this product is 12 months, and I think it is travel friendly also, according to me, and you can use it for face and body both. Now let's talk about the ingredient of this product. So the main ingredient of this product is glycerin and petroleum, which work together to lock moisture and create a protective barrier on the skin. It also have dimethicone, which helps in smoothing the skin. It also have niacinamide and other ingredient also, and the details of these ingredient I will give you in my description, because I can't discuss all of these ingredient detail. Now let's talk about my honest review. So one thing I really love about the Cetaphil cleanser is that it is fragrance free and hypoallergic also, and it doesn't contain paraben or sulfate, which are often harsh on the skin. I really appreciate a brand that makes product I can trust, especially when you have a sensitive and combination skin like me. Talking about the cream consistency, so it has a thick consistency and absorb quickly into your skin after some minute, I think. But if you have oily skin, then it takes some time, I mean more time than other skin type to absorb into your skin. To sum it up, and at last, I want to say that I am happy with Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream, because it's a solid, reliable moisturizing cream that hydrates my skin without feeling greasy or heavy. It's perfect for sensitive skin and combination skin like me. So if you are searching for a reliable and trusted product, then definitely try this product. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and if you have any query, then comment down and I will give you an answer also. Bye bye.